whether you want to create your web store customers in your ERP or not. The answer relies on your business requirements. To cope with varying business requirements, x2x eCommerce GP-Shopify integration module is designed as a versatile and flexible solution. With the flexibility to allow you to either create a Shopify customer in GP, or use the guest customer ID to incorporate Shopify customer details, the solution allows you to handle your data as per your requirement. With x2x eCommerce GP-Shopify module, if you wish to maintain the history and data of each web customer, you can simply do so in your ERP by just checking the Create Customer box in the General Setup window. Or unselect the box if you don't need it. As simple as that. Data is very important for businesses, but which data to maintain and which to discard is totally up to the management. The x2x eCommerce GP-Shopify module understands this. That's why our solutions come with options that cater to all. With x2x eCommerce solutions implemented for you, you'll have the liberty to manage your operation as you like. Still not sure if x2x eCommerce is the right solution for you? Reach out to our experts or visit our website to learn more.